Hey there, DJI fans. Today, we're on a mission to find the absolute best deal on the new DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro camera and combo. We'll be comparing prices and packages at 3 different stores to see who wins. Our first stop is Best Buy. They have the DJI Action 4 for $420 and the Action 5 for $490. We even checked out the Pocket 3 kit, which was $930. We decided to go with the Action 5. We bought the Action 5 camera. Later that day, we had discovered that Costco had a camera bundle, but it was only available for online orders. This bundle includes the camera, 2 batteries, and a memory card. Then, we returned the camera we bought at Best Buy since it didn't come with a kit. We found out Walmart had a great deal too. DJI package called the Adventure Combo includes everything we wanted. We found out that our local store only had 1 in stock, so we quickly went to pick it up. We didn't get any photos or videos while we were at the store, but we did get the last one. We are home and we have the new box. We're doing a full unboxing for you now. Also available on Amazon. But be careful. Make sure you're buying directly from the official DJI store to avoid getting a used or opened product. Make sure to check the bad reviews. It was rather simple and quick to set up the camera with your phone using the DJI Mimo app. This camera is very stable and smooth. Look at this incredible stability, even with me moving quickly. Even the iPhone 16 doesn't make it this stable. The combo also includes this amazing tripod that doubles as a selfie stick. It extends to 1.5 meters, or 56 inches long. Thanks so much for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more of our adventures at Costco, or in this case, Walmart. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments on which package did you get or are interested in getting.